Fixing the this site cannot be reached error. Ever faced the this site cannot be reached error? You are not alone. Let's fix it with 5 easy steps. It is now more important than ever to keep up with the health information technology. Check your internet connection. Restart your router or reconnect to Wi-Fi. Use mobile data to test your network. Clear browser cache and cookies. Go to settings, clear them and try accessing the site again. Flash DNS and reset networks. Open command prompt and run ipconfig /flash DNS and network wincheck reset. Change DNS settings. Use a public DNS like Google or Cloudflare for a stable connection. Disable firewall or antivirus temporarily. It might be blocking access to the site. This fix should resolve the error. Like, subscribe and share if this helped.